Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Placement Guidance. Today I have come up with off-campus opportunity. Infosys hiring freshers for the system engineer role. And believe me, Infosys gives the best training. You will get to learn new technology and will also get practical implementation on that technology. So as a fresher, it will really be a great opportunity for you. So if you want to know more off-campus opportunity and you haven't subscribed my channel, then subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's get started with the details of this off-campus opportunity. So the job description, the batches that are eligible is 2019 and the 2020 for this job. So the role that Infosys is giving is system engineer, and job location will be according to the business requirement, and the salary is 3.6 LP, and for a fresher, believe me, it's good. And the eligibility criteria, degrees that were BTech, BE, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc are eligible. And in 10th and 12th, 60% and above are eligible, and in graduation minimum 65% are eligible, and there should be no active backlogs. So the selection process for this role will be conducted online in two steps. That is, first, Infosys will take an online test, and then if you clear that online test, then you will have one interview, combined TR, technical and HR round. So eligible students will undergo Infosys online test. So the test pattern for the Infosys online test is, total duration you will get for the test will be 100 minutes, and there will be 5 parts. First will be reasoning ability, in which there will be 15 questions and you will get 25 minutes. Then there will be technical ability, which will contain 10 questions in 35 minutes, and then verbal ability 20 questions in 20 minutes, pseudo codes 5 questions in 10 minutes. And believe me, it's very simple, so you can do it. And then you will have numerical puzzle 4 questions in 10 minutes. So this is the test pattern for the online test, and believe me, you all can do it. It's very simple. So let's get started how to fill the form. So the link I will provide you in the description below, so you can copy it from there. First, you have to click here that I hereby consent to processing of my personal data by Infosys and mentioned above. You can read all these details that they have given, and then click here and then continue. After continue, you will get this page. Here you have to enter your university roll number, and then you have to enter your first name, middle name. It's optional. If you have, you can, and otherwise leave it. And then enter last name, and then mobile, enter your mobile number, then email address, date of birth you can select from here. Okay, and then you have to enter your address, city, state, pin code, country, and then click on the next page. After that, you will get to this page where you have to fill your class 10th details, all your class 10 details, and class 12 details, and diploma if option, it is optional. If you have done, you can, otherwise leave it. And then graduation, you have to fill all SGPA and the country, state, name of the university, course criteria, and if you have done post graduation, you can, otherwise leave it. And after, click on the next page, you will get here that I authorize Infosys to conduct investigations to verify the read this all, and then click on I agree, and then I am not a robot, and then submit this. So this is the procedure for applying for the Infosys, and the batches available for this is 2019 and 2020. Thank you. Hope you like the video.